Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the ACG AIR MOWABBs. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes, help us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at a classic in my opinion. We've got a look at the ACG AIR MOWABBs, and we got these in the limestone, reflects silver khaki colorway, in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's US men's 8.5. And just if you didn't believe us, this is an ACG sneaker, all conditions geared. This Nike's division where everything's made for all conditions. And today we've got to look at a classic right here, the AIR MOWABBs, designed by the man himself, Tinker Hatfield. And it uses a lot of the technologies that he's infused with Nike. So you can see the Air Huarache technology right here and, well, the classic Nike Air. Before we get into all that nitty gritty details, let's start with the outsole. And you've got an all rubber outsole, and in like all traditional AIR MOWABBs, you've got the AIR MOWABB writing in the middle. That to me just screams 90s. Obviously these sneakers came out in the early 90s, 91 to be exact. And last year the AIR MOWABB celebrated its 30th anniversary. So you can see a lot of AIR MOWABBs coming out, being released, and well, a lot came out last year and you can still see them in the markets. Again, you can see the ACG logo. This gums part, this rubber outsole here, you can see in the gum colorway that makes it out a bit right there. That's more rugged, so it's there for all that traction support. Obviously these kind of sneakers were designed for the outdoors. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is made out of foam, very spongy foam, and inside of that you got the air technology that Nike is famous for. That's there for your comfort, for the underside of your feet. The upper is made out of synthetic materials. More importantly, you can see around the structural part of the sneaker, all around here on the medial lateral side of the sneaker is synthetic nubucks. And you got a bit of synthetic materials right there on the toe box area, perforated so your feet can breathe. And the laces, you got rope laces around here to make it sturdy. And just so you know, you've got that Nike Air Huarache technology. So what Huarache is just a neoprene sock liner, so you can put your feet in, and it just essentially helps make the sneaker fit to your feet. Inspired by Tinker Hatfield's Air Huarache design, and that was thought up on when he did I think it wasn't scuba, it was some sort of water sport, and he used a neoprene sock, and he just fused those technologies into his Nike sneakers. So again, you can see right there at the toe, you can see the Nike swoosh that's stitched on. It's in this lovely khaki colorway, complemented with these orange hues, and you can see the ACG logo right there at the cuff where the neoprene is. Easy to put your feet in. We've done tons of Air Huarache sneakers, so check those reviews out. And from my expertise, it's easy to get your feet in. Also, you're aided by these two pull tabs here at the tongue and at the heel. At the back, so you've got this cage, again inspired by Air Huarache's. There's cages in similar patterning as well. So this to me does look like a Air Huarache, but with the upper. And instead of the just Nike, you got the Nike Air right there. I was going to say that the Air Huarache is famous for not having a Nike swoosh, but these MOWABBs have a swoosh stitched on right there. The inner, again, so you've got the synthetic materials on the insole along with the AIR MOWABB logo. And that rounds up my review. This is a classic, guys. If you're a sneakerhead, big into ACG, like all these ACG heads, if you're into gorpcore and 90s fashion, this is the sneaker to go for. And since we've done tons of hiking, trek sneakers, trail runners reviews in the past. Would I use this for trail running? Probably not. I wouldn't say that the technology is dated, but you've got better sneakers in the market with better tractioning. No offense to Nike, this is a classic at the end of the day, but I would probably wear this on a casual walk. If I am gonna be on the outdoors, I won't do anything too heavy, I won't do anything too laborious or physical, like proper running, but this is, I hope they're going to be comfortable when I try these on. It's going to be actually the first time I try some Air Mowabbs, so roll that footage of me trying these Air Mowabbs on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend it. Yeah, true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK 7.5. My toes are where they need to be. These are very comfortable, guys. I retract my earlier statement of saying I won't go hiking in these. I definitely will, because they're very comfy. Fit's really dope. Looks really cool on. Don't know what else you need more in a sneaker. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.